Edge has kickstarted its proof of human verification, and this is how you get to do it. I'm going to show you how in this video. So as you can see, I've already dropped the steps on how to go about it on my Telegram channel. So this is the video version. You will be needing two links. Look at, this is the first link here and this is the second link. This first link is for the ZK or Zkpass app. That is what you need. If you are using it on your Android, you can go to Play Store and search for this app, ZK. But if it's on Play Store, you can search for Zingate, something like that. Once it comes out, you're going to see this Zkpass app on it also. But for this video, I'm going to be doing everything I'll be doing on Mrs. browser, and I'm also going to installing this app inside my Mrs. browser, so we will not be needing an external app. For those of you that registered using your MetaMask, this will work for you also. I don't want to use MetaMask simply because MetaMask lags a lot, and this LayerEdge, their site also lags. So imagine the two of them combining their lagging. I'll be so frustrated. So I'm using my Mrs. browser. What you simply need to do is to copy your seed phrase from your MetaMask and then you import on Mrs. browser after you have installed MetaMask extension. But before that, I'm currently doing a 30 days Web3 class. For those of you that do not know what Web3 is all about, or you've never attended the class proper, you can join. It is absolutely free. And this is day 6. In the day 6, I post about smart contracts. Everybody who joined the class, I'm sure, probably enjoyed it. And if you click on this link, you are going to see the playlist where we start from day 1. Day 1 is on Web3, and we talked about blockchain later on, thereabout. So just basically click on it, you get the full details on that. Now, moving forward, when I come back to this link that I post, the first thing you want to first of all do is to copy this link. Look at this link here, this one for the LayerEdge verification. If you don't have this link already, you can copy it here on my Telegram channel, or I should drop the link in the description box for this video on YouTube. So the next thing you want to do is to head into your Mrs. browser, use this search bar here to search for the link. Look at, this is the link. I'm going to paste it and allow it to load. So once it loads up, you're going to see this button here. It is showing me to connect wallet. So for you to connect wallet, all you basically have to do is to tap on it. But I want to first of all put in my password on my MetaMask app so that the MetaMask could be opened up, so that it will go easy. So it's going to connect. So I'm going to select my MetaMask from the list of extensions. It unlocks. The next thing I want to do is to exit from this page. I'll close it, and then I tap on this connect wallet. Now they bring these options and I'm going to select MetaMask. As you can see, my wallet has been connected successfully, and as you can see, this is the wallet displaying here. Same thing with what was displaying on my MetaMask browser. Now the next thing I want to do is to head back into my Telegram channel, and then I'm going to copy that extension link. Very important, you need that extension, the ZK extension. You need to install it on your MetaMask, on your Mrs. browser, before you be able to proceed. So this is what you do. You copy this link, or you can even directly go to the Chrome web store of your Mrs. browser and then you do the installation from there. But this one is easy. So once I tap on go, you can see this is the extension here. I've already installed it, so that is why it is displaying this installed. So if you have not installed it, this is what you need to do. And also, if in case you want to install MetaMask, you can simply use this search bar here and then you search for MetaMask, and MetaMask is going to show up. So what you basically do is to click on this. Once it opens up, you scroll to your right and then you see a button here. It's going to say add to Chrome. I've added it. That is why it is telling me remove from Chrome. So once that is out of the way, I'll head back to this my LayerEdge page where I need to do my verification. Then the next thing I want to do is to scroll up, and note, according to them, you must have level 2 KYC on any of these exchanges before you can do it. I think what level 2 means is for you to have submitted your government ID, maybe your plastic ID card or your ID card whatsoever. You must be verified on those sites. So maybe that is what the problem is. And then as you can see, this is the first KYC, OG Pledge Pass, and it's showing that I am verified. That is because I participated in the OG Pledge Pass. All right, since Bybit didn't work out, I'm going to use my Binance, and as you can see, this is the page here. So what I simply want to do, all right, so the next thing I want to do is to click on this verify with Zkpass. And as you can see, they say congratulations, you've successfully proved yourself. So the next thing I want to do is to click on this back to home. I have been successfully connected, and it is still showing that you haven't completed the proof of human activity. I have already completed it, but it is still showing that I've not completed it. So you go ahead and tap on that verify now once again. It should now redirect you into the ZK app again. From there, it will generate the proof. Then, as you can see, it has generated. I now click on OK. After this time around, once I refresh my Mrs. browser on my page, it should reflect. So after I clicked and went to the page again, I now return here, and as you can see, your proof of humanity score is 40. So I have successfully completed my proof of humanity score, and I use my Binance. And for the level 2 verification, all I basically did was to submit my government approved ID, got approved on Binance, and I connected it. So that should be all for now. From the information they dropped, I think once you've done this, you should be good to go normally once you're verified here. But there's still some task we have to do below your screen here. Look at this one, has to do with trading. You have to have traded on Bybit minimum of, I think what they say, must have 30 days spot trading volume on Binance greater than $500. So you can see pay $500 on Binance, or you can pick OKX or Bybit or any of these. So basically, you have to do spot trading, and you must trade above $500. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Bybit to do this, but currently it is saying if I click on it, it will say it is not available for phone, so you can only do it on desktop devices. Normally, if I should be able to do it on my desktop, or I can switch this place to desktop side. Let me go ahead and try it and see if it will work. But all this, I think I should even put it in a follow-up video on this. I don't want this video to get too long, but let me still try and see if I'll be able to do it here. Zoom this out so we can see what is displaying. It's still required that we download an external extension, this Primus. So if I click on any of these now, it's going to take me to the extension page where I have to download this Primus extension, just as we did with this Zkpass before we can go ahead. So I'm going to do it in the follow-up video. I'll drop the link on my Telegram channel. So use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel. So when I drop the link to that video, you'll be able to get access to it. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. Drop your comments in the comment section of this video in case you still have any questions or issues.